Hey everyone, it's Anthony James, and we're here in Key Biscayne. This floor was recently installed, and they scratched up the floor while they were installing. See there? There, scratches here, scratches here. So everywhere that has blue tape is because it's scratched up. So we're gonna do this whole area, remove the scratches first, and then do an even pass to the whole entire floor. All right, so the process I'm gonna do is step number 1, step number 2, and then the magic pad, step number 1, which is the red. Alright, so I already finished removing the scratches with step number 1 and number 2, but now you see the mark of where I passed the handheld machine. So now I'm gonna go with step number 1, magic pad, so I can even out the entire floor. So I already finished all of the steps, and now what I'm doing, I'm just washing the floor and getting all of that extra dirt and grime that's on it and just leaving it on the pure stone itself. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I already washed the floor, dried it up, and I'm just gonna pass a white pad. It's basically doing like a dry buffing, just getting off any residual that's on the floor. I'm already done. I removed all of the scratches, and I evened out the floor, made it even again, satin type finish, and that's it. I'm done. See, every floor is different. Every floor has its own personality, and that you see there is the personality of this floor. See ya. Hello everyone, it's Anthony James. You want to buy our products, everything that we use on a video is online. I know you could do it. Buy it online, do it yourself, no problem. AJStoneLife.com.